Did you know that QuoteWerks Web allows you to compare items before adding them to a quote? If I go to Products, I can search for the item I wish to add. Then you can begin selecting items you wish to compare. Once you're happy with your selection, you can select the Compare tab. It will display the number of items currently in the Compare window. From here, you can see the items information side by side. You are also able to get pricing and availability easily by checking this box. You can remove items individually, or you can remove all items. The items differences are highlighted by default, but this feature can be turned off by simply unchecking the box. The Compare window makes it easy for you to compare items on the fly. Go check it out, and thank you for watching.